Hi guys! In today's video, I'm going to be showing you my top 5 favourite no borax, no glue slimes, and it's basically a how to make slime without glue or borax video, and I really hope that you enjoy it. This video is sponsored by the mobile game Alice, and I'm so obsessed with this just because it's based off Alice in Wonderland, which is one of my all-time favourite Disney movies. The task is really simple, so you have to get the last figure, which is obviously Alice, whilst placing all the other figures on the field. Whilst matching 3 figures, you get a sheep, and you have to match 3 sheep up to get another object, and you keep matching the different objects up in the goal to get Alice. The game is full of so many different opportunities which you won't find in any other app, and one of my favourite hobbies is finding the new objects. Like, you get teapots, you get mice. I don't even know what's next. I'm just hoping to get Alice one day. The app's brand new, so within the first month you get 10 balloons, which will boost your game progress so much, and all you have to do is download the game in the link below. Obviously, we're going to be starting off with my favourite slime, and this is Model Magic Slime. This is the easiest one to do. All you're going to need is some Model Magic clay and loads of body lotion. It's very hard to mix in because the clay starts off very tough, so I recommend getting your fist and just kneading it that way and keep testing it and seeing if it's stretchy. If it isn't, I recommend adding loads of lotion until it gets to this texture. It should get really soft and feel just like a slime, but if you fancy having more of a butter slime texture, don't forget to add a bit more clay than lotion and you should end up with a creamy slime like this. For my second favourite recipe, we're going to be taking a classic and turning it into something a little different. Instead of using a dish soap or shampoo with this, we're actually going to be pairing it with conditioner, and this does give it a little bit of a different texture, and I find that it makes it so much softer. It's also really weird to mix in because the dish soap and shampoo has kind of a liquidy texture, which is more normal to mix in with powders, but as you can see here, this kind of turned into a dough and then more of a creamy texture, so it's a really weird sensation when you're mixing it in, but it has such a nice outcome. Unfortunately, because every conditioner is different, I can't give you exact measurements for this, but I do recommend just adding a little bit more conditioner if your slime does go a bit hard, and you can add some baby oil if you just want to soften the mixture up. Then I recommend playing with it for maybe 15 minutes in your hand just to get it from a crumbly texture to a really nice creamy one like you have here, and then it's so fun and relaxing to play with in your hands, and I can honestly play with this for hours. It's so thick and it doesn't really have any sounds, but it's just so relaxing and easy to make. Next up, we have the OG no borax, no glue slime, and we're actually going to be doing a little bit of a twist on this. So obviously my no glue aspect is going to be some face mask, and then we're going to be using Kershaw's laundry starch with this instead of contact lens solution, but it does make it a little bit more cloudy. We're going to be making it like a normal borax solution, so just add a couple of teaspoons into some water, and then you just want to add a tiny bit to your face mask, and the face mask needs to contain polyvinyl alcohol, and this is commonly found in peel-off face masks if you want to try this at home. As you can see, it is a little bit more lumpy than slime, but I love it. Another product that contains polyvinyl alcohol is also peel-off makeup. Specifically, peel-off lip gloss always has it in it. Even if it claims to not, it always does. I do find that this is really good with contact lens solution. It's a weird mixture because as you can see here from me twirling it up, it does kind of go a bit lumpy at first, but then the more you stir it, the more liquid it goes. So you just need to add the tiniest bit of bicarbonate of soda, and as you can see, I added way too much. It went way too quickly, and then my slime became really rubbery, and as you can see here, the camera actually went out of focus. It was like, Talisa, what are you doing? And I was looking at it like, this could work, and it didn't. But as you can see here, it did kind of become slime, and it was pulling away like a normal slime. It was just kind of ruined at the end. So I do love this method, but it was completely my fault. And then last but not least, we have blue tack slime, and this is so easy to make. We're just going to need some foaming hand wash and blue tack. The blue tack itself is actually quite tough, so we do need to warm it up in our hands and just keep pulling at it. And it's really weird because it starts breaking and you think, this is definitely not working, this is not going to turn into a slime, and then all of a sudden it kind of does, and it's super stretchy and fun to play with. Thank you so much for watching my video. I really hope that you enjoyed it, and if you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe, and if you have any video requests, feel free to leave them in the comments and I'll go through all of them.